to Study with Malsha YouTube channel. Sometimes when you are presenting numerical data to your audience, they might be confused. So, to avoid this, you can simply use a chart. There are many types of chart in PowerPoint. Let's learn one by one. To get started, go to the Insert tab. Then click on the Chart command. Then you will get this dialog box. So, here we have several options to choose from. First, I'm going to add a column chart. Select this and click OK. OK. Now you can see, together with your chart, PowerPoint will open an Excel sheet. What you have to do is filling required information inside this. Let's try and see. Okay, if you want to expand your chart, just keep on typing in your columns. Right, now if you have data on your mind, you can just fill it out one by one. But I'm going to copy other data from one of my already created worksheets. Select whatever you want by pressing Ctrl+C. Now go back to your PowerPoint window, select the area where you need to paste and click Ctrl+V. Now my chart has been updated like this. Okay, so if you want to add a new heading to your chart, you can erase the current one and type the new heading. This Edit Chart option is used to edit your data whenever you need. Okay, now let's see what are the other chart options that we can use. First one is the line chart. Normally, we use a line chart to show the changes over a time. Pie chart. We use a pie chart to separately identify the percentages of your data. Bar charts. This is the opposite version of the column chart. They are used to compare data. Area charts. These are used to find out the area of the data which we have achieved over a time. So, with the change chart type, we can replace our chart with a new one. I'm going to try an area chart. With these options, you can change the appearance of your charts. So, finally with this plus mark, you can add or remove the unnecessary components of your charts. So, I hope it's clear why we need and how do we need to use charts when we are working with numerical data. So, see you with the next video soon. Thank you very much.